That is war with Iran.
This world is at war, so I decided why not throw a bunch of world leaders into a fight arena and see who wins. Yeah, please don't kill me. So first, I got this list of 8 countries from ChatGPT. And of course, being a cultured man, I asked ChatGPT for their contact number so I could get their permission. But alas, it couldn't do that for me, so I guess I'll just be referring them by their country names. So first, we need the world leader, so I modeled this character, brought it into Unity and added ragdoll physics, and we are done. No, not yet. I found this GitHub repo, and based on this I created my active ragdoll. He's hyperactive. I fixed it, but he seems to be lonely, so I added another one. They were friendly at first, but soon started fighting. But it felt a bit robotic, and I wasn't really happy with this, so... And that's how I got it working. This is exactly how I walk when I'm drunk on water. And then I added weapons, particle and sound effects totally inspired by Danny's system, and now they can fight. With this done, I modeled the world leaders using Blender. The first character I added is India. Yeah. Next up, China, Iran, North Korea, Pakistan, UK, America, and last but not the least, Russia. Then I asked ChatGPT to give me 3 values out of 100: aggression, power, and defense. Higher the aggression, higher the frequency of attack, and higher the defense, lesser the damage taken. Just to let you know that these stats are completely generated by ChatGPT, so that you know who to go after if you're offended. So with that, let's start the tournament. Oh, we don't have a place to fight in yet. Sketchfab, a great place for 3D models for all your needs. I found this amazing boxing ring by Bonks, and then I modeled the arena. Audience, they're just glowing spears, but they cheer only for the specific players. And I also added Bob. He's the producer of this tournament. He's not even visible from here, but trust me, he's watching you. With that, let's start the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the tournament. And as you can see here, we have our matchups ready. And the first match is gonna be between Russia and China. Both formidable opponents with insane power and defense, slightly leaning towards China, but with Russia having an edge over aggression. Russia waving to the audience holding a humongous hammer. Wait, is that an oil barrel? And China on the other end with chopsticks. Yeah. Both close in, and China dives and stabs Russia, and Russia strikes back. China strikes again. I wonder if there's any chance for Russia now. China says no with a curse move and flings Russia out of the arena and claims victory. Is that even legal though? The rule book says... With that, China moves to the semi-finals. Next up, America versus Iran. Will Iran survive the mammoth? Let's find out. America wielding the iconic torch, and Iran wielding an oil barrel. Iran went for a like an America dodge. That was a bit excessive. Iran tried again, but America gave him a heavy smack. Iran getting up, but America showing no mercy. Iran's down to its last breath, finally got a strike in. America goes for another hit, but Iran refuses to go down this time. Iran comes in with a barrage of strikes and knocks down America for the first time. Iran might actually have a chance, but America says no and comes back with a deadly smash and takes Iran down. That was intense. America moves to the semi-finals. Next up, Pakistan versus North Korea. This is gonna be an interesting one. Pakistan at the blue corner wielding a cricket bat. North Korea stands at the red corner with a missile. Both with similar stats. This one comes down to skill and willpower. Looking for the opening strike, North Korea strikes first. Pakistan strikes 2 and knock North Korea to the ground. North Korea getting up, but Pakistan says no and knocks North Korea down once again. Both swinging wildly but hitting nothing but air. It's looking really bad for North Korea. Pakistan strikes again, and once again they are in the dodging mode.
1 hour later. 2 hours later.
Pakistan finally strikes and follows up with a finishing blow, and it's over for North Korea. Pakistan wins the match. Next up, India versus UK. It's a close matchup. Will India take back its Kohinoor? Let's find out. India with the cricket bat in the blue corner, and UK in the red corner, somehow wielding 2 Kohinoors. Both approaching India, already swinging at the air. UK strikes clean, a solid hit. India smacks back 2. UK goes straight in with heavy damage to India. UK has barely taken a hit, but India is on its last breath. Oh my god, what a comeback. Back-to-back strikes by India. UK is almost down. And there it is. India wins the match. That means India will be facing Pakistan in the semi-finals. I'm so stoked for this match. Ladies and gentlemen, we are done with the knockout round, and these are the winners. Let's move to semi-finals. The two rivals, one with a torch and other with chopsticks. Who's gonna win? Let's find out. China in the blue corner with flashy moves and America in the red. Both close in, swing in wildly and strike at the same time. America hits the floor, China has the upper hand, but whoa! America dodges the stab, smacking China in the face. He seems to be planning his next move and he tripped. No, it was a trick strike, a clean hit on China. China did the same and now getting up and oh! Both go for the final blow. America takes it, China goes down and America barely survives. With that, we have the winner. America moves to the finals. Next up, India versus Pakistan. Stats really ain't looking good for Pakistan. Pakistan has to play the game defensively to stand a chance.
1 hour later. 2 hours later.
India lands the first strike on Pakistan and oh! That's a sick dodge! Pakistan unable to land a hit and trips! Wait, is that the America move? Yes it is, and Pakistan tricks two back-to-back strikes on India. As we see here, there was a third attempt that India dodged. Both striking each other, but India says enough is enough and goes for a heavy blow. Another strike and that's it. India defeats Pakistan and moves to the finals against America. That was an intense one, and with that we conclude the semi-finals and see you in the final.
Hi everyone, Bob here, the producer of this tournament. Hope you're enjoying it so far. If you are, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the tournament and it's the final match. America versus India. It's gonna be an interesting one. America with the torch in the blue corner and India with cricket bat in the red. India goes for the first strike and America strikes back. The crowd's cheering while both dodging each other's attack and India strikes again. America getting up but India strikes again, back to back. Fabulous performance by India, but India loses balance and trips. America capitalizes on the opportunity and strikes India back to back again and there we have it, the final blow, and America wins the match and the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the winner of this tournament, America. Whoa, that was quite intense. That's it for this video. And guys, as I told you in my last video, I'm working on a game called Course Zero. This is not the final name, but hopefully my next video is going to be about this. So like and subscribe if you like the video, dislike if you didn't. See you in the next one.